Hello students, today we are going to solve the given recurrence relation by using characteristic root method in discrete mathematics. Find the general solution of the given recurrence relation is an minus 1 plus 6 an minus 2 equal to 4 power n varies from 2 to infinity by using characteristic root method. Okay. So what is given? The given recurrence relation is what? An minus 5 an minus 2 plus 6 an minus 2 equal to 4 power n. Okay. And n varies from 2 to infinity. Okay. So what is our target here? We're going to solve the given recurrence relation by using three steps. Okay. Step number one. What is step number one? Step number one is, but we need to find the homogeneous solution. Okay. You consider this is equation number one. So to find what? The homogeneous solution of equation, that is an power h. Before we find homogeneous solution, first we will find what is order of this equation. How to find the order of this equation? Subtracting from what? Highest term minus least term. What is highest term? An. So you get nth term is highest, minus least term is n minus 2. Okay. So you get minus n plus n are getting cancelled. We get order is 2. Okay. So this is nothing but second order difference equation. When you solve this equation, we get two roots. Okay, step number one, we need to find what? Homogeneous. Homogeneous solution is nothing but what? We consider left hand side equal to 0. Okay, so therefore, the, the homogeneous relation of can be written as what? We an minus 5 into an minus 1 plus 6 into an minus 2 equal to 0. The homogeneous equation. So now I'm going to find what is characteristic root of this equation. Substitute an equal to what? To power n in this equation. So we get what? R power n minus 5 into, replace n equal to n minus 1. We get what? R power 1 plus 6 into R power n minus 2 equal to 0. So here, what is least term? R power n minus 2 is least term. So we take least term always outside. If we take least term outside, R power n minus 2 into. So here, R power n can be written as what? R square. If base is same, we can add powers, we get R power n. Okay, which means R power n 2 into R square, that is equal to R power n minus 2 plus 2. 2 are getting get R. Okay, minus. We can write this R power 1. If base is same, we can add, we get R power n minus 1 plus 6 equal to 0. So you bring this term right hand side. So we get what? Square 5R plus 6 equal to 0. So solving this equation, we get R equal to two different root. Why? Because given recurrence relation is what? Second order equation. How to simplify this? So if you multiply, we get 6. Adding means minus 5. So the number 3 2s are 6, minus 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 5, minus minus into minus plus. So we can write this R3 minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, R equal to what? 2 comma 3. So here, okay, here the roots are what? Real and what? Okay. So whenever you get the roots are real and different, we know the homogeneous solution. What is homogeneous solution? An power h. So n power h equal to a into r1 power n plus b into r. Suppose we get roots. So here we write what? C into r3 power n. Okay. So you consider this is r1, this is r2. Otherwise, you consider this is r1, this is r2. Okay. So we get an power h equal to what? A into 2 power n plus b into 3 power n. Okay. So this is called what? Homogeneous solution of given recurrence relation. Okay. This is called step number 1. So now we find step number 2. Okay. What is step number 2? Step number 2 is nothing but what? We have to find the particular solution. What is particular solution? Which is nothing but an power. Okay, we need to find an power p by using given equation. So before that, we are going to identify the given equation, which means the right hand side form satisfies any one of the type. Okay, what is type number 1? F of n. That means right term is constant. Okay, whenever we get a constant, then it is called what? Type 1 model. So here right hand side term is what? 4 power n. This is not constant. So this is nothing but we consider function. Okay, so therefore type 1 does not satisfy. Go for type 2. What is type 2? F of n equal to alpha into power n, where alpha is constant, b is some number. You see the given equation of right hand side term is it satisfied this form, which means we're going to write what 1 into b power n. B value is 4 power n. Okay. So what is our step number 3? So here the given, okay, so here the right hand side of given equation is what? Second type. And also it satisfied third type also. What is third type? Same, f of n equal to alpha into b power n. That is nothing but 1 into 4 power n. So what is difference between type 2 and type 3? We need to verify additionally one condition. Okay, but this is b value. Okay, so b value is not root of your characteristic equation, then it is called type 3. Type 2. Okay, suppose your b value is 4, right? So 4 is root of your characteristic equation, then we consider this is type 3. And also to verify how many times repeated, that is called m. Okay, so 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 here the given problem satisfied what? Type 2. Okay, which means, so we know that, so here what is f of n is nothing but alpha into b power n. That is nothing but we can write the given equation of right hand side term is 1 into 4 power. Okay, so where, so we consider where alpha equal to what? Alpha equal to 1 is here. Okay, and b equal to what? 4. 4 is what? Not a root of what? Not a root of given equation. That means given characteristic equation. So whenever b is not a root of characteristic equation, then we consider what? Then we consider the trial solution is what? Power p. That is equal to what? A naught into b power n. Okay, suppose b is a root of characteristic equation, means additionally we consider n power m. M is nothing but number of times repeated. Okay, how to verify this one? Not a root of characteristic equation. What is roots of this equation? Equation root is what? R equal 2 comma 3. Okay, so your here b value is 4. You see 4 is not of your characteristic equation. Therefore we consider type 2. Suppose here we get 4 comma 3. Okay, is what? B equal to 4 is a root of characteristic equation. Then we consider what? Third type. What is third type? Trial solution. A naught into b power n into n power m. What is m? M is nothing but number of times repeated. 4, how many times? Only one time. So we consider m value is 1. But in this problem, 4 is not a root of given equation. Therefore, we consider only into b power n. We know a naught into what is b value? 4 power n. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Okay, target is using this trial solution. We need to find what is a particular solution of given equation, which means substitute equation number 2 in number 1. We have to find what is constant, this constant value. So substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So we get left hand side, you see equation number 1, an. What is an value? That is nothing but a naught into 4 power n. Okay, minus 5 into replace n equal to n minus 1. So we get a naught 4 power n minus 1 plus 6 into replace n equal to n minus 2. We get a naught into 4 power n minus 2 equal to 4 power n. Okay, so now equation we find what is a naught value. Okay, so here 4 power n minus 2 is constant least term. So we take outside, which means it is common value. Okay, so we take outside from this equation, we get 4 power n minus 2 into e. So you see common, right? So you a naught also outside. So here 4 square. If base is same, we can add powers. We get 4 power n minus 5 into 4 only. Okay, plus 6 equal 4 power n can be written as what? 4 power n minus 2 into Why we are writing 4 power n minus 2? Left hand side 4 power n minus 2 is there. So that we have to cancel both of them. So now I'm going to write this one is 4 power n minus into a naught, but into 4. Okay. So we can write 16 minus 20 plus 6 equal to 4 power n can be written as 4 power n minus 2 into 16. 4 power n minus 2, 4 power n minus 2 are getting cancelled. We get only a naught 22 minus 20 equal to 16. Okay, the a naught into 2 equal to 16. Two 16s are cancelled. We get what? A naught equal to 8. Okay, a naught equal to 8 in equation 2. What is equation number 2? This from equation 2 can be written as what? A n power p. P is nothing but particular solution. That is nothing but a naught into 4 power n. Okay, so we get a naught value is what? 8 into 4 power n. Okay, so this is equation number 3. And also it is called what? A particular solution of given recurrence relation. Okay. Step number three, adding homogeneous solution and particular solution. That is called step number 3. Okay. Step number 3, we write what? The general solution. Okay. The general solution. The general solution of given equation 1 is nothing but equal to a n power h plus a n power. This is nothing but homogeneous solution. This is particular solution. We know what is homogeneous solution. A into 2 power n plus b into what? 3n. What is homogeneous solution? 8 into 4 power n. Okay, so an value. Okay, therefore, this is called what? The general solution of given recurrence relation. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.